Bodo people, along with rest of Assam, celebrate Kati Gasa, popularly known as Kati Bihu, on the first day of the Kati month. Bodos are worshippers of Mother Nature, and this celebration is the harbinger of the start of the season of new harvest. Farmers take part in a unique ritual, lighting gasa, a special kind of lamp made from tigir or elephant apple, and placing them atop tall bamboo poles in their paddy fields. This isn't merely tradition, it's a practice rooted in purpose. The lamps serve as beacons, attracting insects to their warm glow and thus aiding in pest control. Yet, there's more to it than practicality. Custom and belief are deeply entwined in the age old practice. To bring this unique cultural practice, the team of Eastern Paradigm has come to Janagaon, a village adjacent to Kokrajhar town. The ceremony commences with a heartfelt offering of alari kasa to Batu Borai, the supreme deity in Batuism, the ancient traditional religion cherished by the Bodo people. Batu Borai, they say, resides within the Sisu clan, making it a living embodiment of their faith. The second deity of significance is Mainau, the daughter of Batu Barai, often referred to as the protector of the rice fields. After offering prayers to Batu Barai, the lamps are lit in the Bakri, the granary storehouse, signifying the importance of the harvest. Then they go to the paddy field where they light the lamps and pray for good harvest for the season. This is how Bodos honor the nature.
बेखौ बे फोरबोआ जाहैबाय जों गोदो आबै आबौनिफ्रायनो जों मिथिबोनाय जों नुबोनाय काति गासा बा पहेलायाव सोरबा सावो सोरबा बिदिनो 2 थारिखआव सावो सोरबा लास्ट जोबनायाव सावो बिदिनो नुबोनायखाय जोंबो दिनै बै समनिखौ गोसोखांनानै दासिमावबो जाहाथे माने जोंबो सोलोंनानै रोंलांनानै आंनि जेनेबा दा फैगासिनो दं जेनेबा हादा फिसाला दं आंनि बिहामजोखौबो आं फोरोंलांनांगौ नालाय ओंखायनो आंबो सोलोंलांनांगौ जानानै दा रोंनानै आं दा दिनै बेबायदि सावदों आरो बे नेमखौ जोङो दुगैयै लोबै न'आव साखि सावस्रांनानै थाइगिर फिथाइखौ दाननानै थाइगिर बिखङाव साखि सावनाय न'आव जेरै जेवारि सावो बिदिनो बाहेरायावबो जोङो गन गंनै दाननानै जरासे थाइगिर बिखङाव जोङो सावनानै जों आसिरबाद लायो कार्तिक गासा बोथोराव माने गायनाय फुनाय बोथोरनिफ्रायनो जोङो दा फिथाइ मोननाय समावबो जाहाथे माने मोजाङै मोनफुंनो हायो फिथाइखौ आरो जोङो मोजाङै बोथोरनि
For those disconnected from agriculture, the emotions and sentiments tied to food production may remain elusive. It's often in times of scarcity and crop shortages that we truly grasp the significance of the granary. Kati Bihu connects us to our roots, reminding us of our profound reliance on the earth for sustenance. For the Bodo people, it's not just a festival, it's a testament to their enduring bond with the land that sustains them.